one of the features that I like is the ability to position the windows. It's got different options now where you can position the in different locations of the screen. So let me give you an example. If you hover over the minimize and maximize button, you see that you can actually snap the window into the different locations. So I'm just going to put one in each corner. Let me open up another window, and now I'll put this on the bottom left hand corner. Just close this down. You just need to hover over that button and then select the location. So in this example, I've got 4 windows and they're positioned at each corner of the window. Now, if this video helped you in any way, give it a like and subscribe to the channel.